yung mga salita nila. Meron pa nga senator sinabi na yung pagbalik or remand of the articles of impeachment, yung petition ng prosecutors. Yun ano sabi niya, it's a tantamount to a dismissal of the case.
Yeah.
Kanya-kanyang interpretasyon eh. Tatlong senators daw ang nagsabi noon na saya kasi that's tantamount to a dismissal. So ang intent nila is that's the intent, is to dismiss it, and they're going through all of these things para ma-dismiss yung case. It's such a disappointment to see senators do that. Where is the integrity? Right? Where?
Pero ang sabi nila, Attorney Monsod, sabi ni Senate President Escudero, nila Senator Cayetano, hindi naman daw dismissal itong ginagawa nila. Gusto lamang nilang malinawan doon sa mga issues nga na tanong nila tungkol dito sa issue ng impeachment ng House.
Issues? Did they go into the details kung anong issues?
There were 2 points in particular, Attorney Monsod, that they wanted the House to clarify. So yung isa nga doon is yung constitutionality of the impeachment of Vice President Duterte. The second one is the commitment na gusto pa rin ituloy ng 20th Congress yung impeachment and trial kay Vice President Sara Duterte, which by the way, if you allow me, sir, how will that happen? Nasa 19th Congress pa nga lang tayo.
At saka why are these are issues that will take care of themselves provided that they go through with the trial. Why are they making all of these preconditions before they start the trial? Sabi naman ng Constitution, basta na-deliver na yung articles of impeachment, and that was done on February 5, the Senate should proceed, di ba? Immediately, forthwith, with the trial. What are all of these issues they're bringing up? Di ba?
So, maganda what you're saying, Attorney Monsod, if I'm getting you correctly, is kung talagang may concerns sa ganyan, ba't hindi na lamang pag-usapan sa mismong trial?
Well, among themselves, they should know that their job is to hear the case. Now they're raising all kinds of excuses to delay or to derail the impeachment process. Mahiya naman sila. Hindi yan, wala yan sa Constitution.
Attorney Monsod, I want to ask
them, what got into them? So some people, when they taste power, some change happens to them. Akala nila they can do what they want. Kasi, sabi niya, paano? 18 ang vote namin and all that. And so that's beside the point. All 18 of you have committed a violation of the Constitution.